Welcome back, my faithful viewers. Welcome to Taste Test Food Review. So as you can see in the thumbnail, this is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup ice cream. I'm pretty sure they what? Did they link up with Breyers or what? Oh, Reese's has their own. Never mind, I got it now. Okay. Because normally it's backed by a company. It just says, it doesn't say. Oh, but look, they got other flavors. Oh, look at that. The hunt for those other flavors. Oh. Anyway, yeah, I guess they did their own ice cream. Okay. Help yourself to some. Let me open these. Let me open these for you, honey. Hold on. You want some cookies? Not right now. But don't you want to eat some cookies with your ice cream? You are weird. Oh. Oh, these smell wonderful. Oh my god! Oh, this is gonna be a fabulous taste test. And yes, I got the pizza puffs on the side. Yes, it's right here. So these are items that we saw that was special, limited time flavors. Oh, if I would have just read they have resealable thingy over here. See, oh well. You know, it's like everyone hangs a tail. So, ooh, oh dear. Oh, these are disappointing. They smell wonderful. But when do they shrink? This is not a full-size cookie. That's a mini cookie. Does they say mini cookies on here? Made with Reese's. Oh, oh, ooh. You just made a fat girl mad. I'm into this, but I'm already mad. All right, so here we are. We're going to taste the ice cream first. Now we know what we're expecting. And I want to taste that. I want to taste like I'm eating the product. I want to taste Reese's. So how close did they get? Does it just taste like vanilla ice cream with chocolate? Who knows? Mmm. And not peanut butter ice cream. No. No. That is not peanut butter ice cream. That is not vanilla ice cream with chocolate. Mmm. You know, I need to wipe them out. You know that Reese's peanut butter cup? They have that special saltiness of the peanuts. And that is coming through wonderfully. You taste the chocolate, you taste the peanut butter, but it's that special that mmm that makes it Reese's. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's gonna be a delight to eat. Oh my god. Now for these disappointing little itty bitty cookies. Now they are loaded. That's a lot of filling. So they're not skimping on the filling. Mm. Mm-mm. It tastes like a soft chocolate chip cookie with peanut butter in it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And a good cookie. Delicious cookie. I am not mad at it. But I don't pick up on Reese's. I don't feel the Reese's in this at all. Mm. Oh, it is good though. Mm. Now, you know I'm gonna do it. You would be mad at me if I didn't do it. I cannot disappoint you and not do it. Okay. In one big bite. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. Oh my god. That is so good. Oh my god. The ice cream, the cookie. You taste the sweet, you taste the salty. You mix them both and there you have the best. Never mind. mm. Mm. Oh, I gotta do it again. I gotta do it again. Life would not be complete if I did not do this again. As you can see, my ice cream is melting under the lights. mm. 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 Oh my god, this is so. Mm. 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 This is so amazing. I love it. Okay, you gotta get the Reese's peanut butter cup ice cream. Absolutely have to have it. You gotta get this. If you do not do this, you are so missing out. I hate it that they're so small because now I have to make more sandwiches. And that's all it does. You know, the small serving doesn't cut down on calories. It just means you gotta make more sandwiches. So here we go. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 And it ain't lasting. Mm. No need for a resealable bag. None whatsoever. Mm. Oh my god, I need another one. Oh, just one more. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Taste test review. Ah! Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh my god, that is so awesome. If you don't do this, you are so missing out on the summer treat. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. We gotta have that for the Memorial Day celebration. Mm-hmm. If you don't have this at your Memorial Day celebration, you are so gonna hate yourself. I already know it. Unless you hate chocolate, allergic to chocolate, have diabetes, definitely stay away from this. Or just have one little taste. I mean, one little taste and get your insulin. All right, we got clear the palate. That is amazing. Oh my god, that's so amazing. I gotta stay away from it. I do. All right, next up. Next up, we have these Cheeto pizzas. We're looking for how close do they get to the pizza? I wanna taste the yeastiness of the dough. It is a cheese pizza, so I just wanna, does it deliver cheese pizza? All right, we cut the top. Get a look in there. Good. Look. Yeah. All right. So that's one with the coloring on it. A nice thick coat of flavor. Smells like a regular Cheetos. That's on. It smells like a litter box. You know that ammonia smell when you get near a dirty litter box? Yeah, it has that ammonia. Maybe I just got too much seasoning on it. It cannot be that bad. It can't be that bad. Well, you can have that one. He can't have the cookies. He wanted my cookies. By the way, Peanut's down here. He wanted the cookies. No. Cheetos, you lied to me. Mm-mm. I can't eat that. I mean, I taste the spiciness of the seasoning. I expected the yeastiness of the dough. Maybe that's the ammonia smell I get in that afterburner. I don't know. Well, the dog ate it. Well, they all can't be winner, guys. Here we are. The champions are right here. Reese's Peanut Butter, a soft Oreo, Ohio. What they are? Chip Ahoy. Chips Ahoy soft bake with Reese's Peanut Butter Cup and the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup ice cream. Together they are perfect. So until next time, guys, we're going to hope for the best, pray for the worst. I guarantee you kids will all get up somewhere in the middle. Bye!